Hi guys, so recently SoFlo TV did a little segment on a article that a married couple got married and found out that they are biologically blood related. They're twins, brother and sister related. They went to college together, they got married, and in the process of trying to have children, they found out that they are blood relatives. So this here video is a spin-off of that for all the Jamaican man them will have swing them hood everywhere. This one is for you guys. This one is for you. So keep on watching to hear my thoughts. So in Jamaica they have this stereotype that Jamaican men can fling them hood anyway, do whatever them want, sleep with whoever them want, and just live life and just have sexual intercourse and just be on their merry way. And when they have offsprings, they're not forced to take care of their offspring, because in our culture the mothers are always the ones taking care of the kids. It's like a continuous cycle basically. So this article that I read about these two married couple, we find out they are twin brothers and sister, hit home for me, because I'm from a father that has about 20 children. Yes, I said 20. My father has 20 children. The ones that he owns and the one that he disowns. It may be more, it may be less. That's what some people say. But I'm going to put the number at an even number and say he has 20 children in Jamaica. 20. And not only does he have children in Jamaica, he has children in America, he has children in Canada, he has children in England. So, needless to say, me can buck up on my brother and sister at any point in time. Okay? Because that's just who my father is, and that's how my father wanted to live his life. I don't have anything against my father. As far as I'm concerned, he was never a part of my life. I've always had a father figure in my life, and that's Conky. Like I've always said in all my videos, Conky has been that person, that ground person where show me said this is how a man is supposed to be, this is what a man is supposed to do, this is how a man is supposed to react when he has an offspring, even if it's not his. He has always been in my corner. He has always been my dad, and he's the person that I feel like I can say is my father. He's the most nurturing. He's the one that has been there. He's the one that went to my track games. He's the one that went to my school for parent-teachers meeting. So my biological dad is not really my dad, okay? I basically have a stepdad, if that's what you want to call it. And forever I respect him, because he took me up in his hands where he didn't have me biologically. He was just with my mom and he loved me. And even after him and my mom broke up, he still took care of me. And that takes a man. That takes a real man to do. Because a lot of men out here will be with a woman that he knows have kids, and then when they do have kids together, they treat their children, their biological children, different than the way they treat their stepchildren, basically. And I've been on both ends of the spectrum, so I understand both ends of the spectrum. I've been that stepchild that got treated badly, and I've also been that child that got treated great from my dad. So needless to say, my dad has never been in my life, and I am one of those persons that can find out someone is my family member, biological blood, at any time. And that's why I've never been a person to just go around and just deal with people and all that. I've always been reserved. I've always been particular in my selection of people that I go out with or that I'm with, basically. So, for all the men in Jamaica that feel, say, it's right to have a bag of kids and just sowing your wild oats, basically, and think that it's okay and think that it's appropriate for you to do, a big shame and disgrace pan uno, because at the end of the day, you're not only damaging yourself, your image, and what people say about you, but you're also damaging your children, because your children will constantly have that thing hanging on their head, over their head, saying that, oh, me can buck up on my brother at any time. Suppose me sleep with my brother. Suppose me day with my brother. Suppose me have sex with my brother or sister, or whatever it may be. You're not only damaging your child, but you're also damaging the person that they will grow up to be. And it's like a continuous cycle of the same thing. Fathers have children, then their children have children, and they do the same thing. The men do the same thing continuously. And even if you're not going to be present in your children's life and you want to fling up everywhere, okay? Just make sure that you bring all your kids together and they know exactly who is who they're related to, who their grandmother, grandaunt, close cousin is, and don't have them out here looking stupid, okay? Because if I was in that lady's shoes that figure out I've been married and sleeping with my blood relative or my twin, then I would be kind of disgusted with myself. Like, that's something that you can't come back from. You can't take that back. So, if you don't want to go fling on the wood and do the bag of things them want to do, please make sure that you are doing it carefully first, because AIDS and no joke at Jamaica or anywhere else, as a matter of fact. STD and no joke either. And you're damaging your children. You're damaging your offspring. So make sure whenever you lay down with woman, know that there is a possibility that she may get pregnant. And if that's not a person that you see yourself with or see having a child, then you don't take it there. You do not go there with the person. Because a lot of these men and women tend to have sexual tendency for just have sex with everybody and anyone, and then when the person ends up pregnant, they think that, oh, me never did the one, and you say, you know, the baby did accident, and me never did expect this, and me no feel so she fit to be a mother, me no feel so she fit to be a father, and he might want sperm donor, and he might this and that. And granted, a lot of things don't happen until after the baby comes and after you find out you're pregnant or whatever, but still, if you don't see that trait in that person, that fatherly figure, that alpha male personality, that provider, protector, that go-getter, that person that can be a good father, then you don't need to be laying down with them. And vice versa. If you don't see that same trait in a woman, then you should not lay with her. So all of the man them with Jamaica, where they fling them hood around and then find excuses as to why they don't take care of their kids or want to take care of their kids. People like me that grow up fatherless or biologically fatherless or with a sperm donor, basically look at you as one waste man, basically, because that's how I look at my dad. And honestly, I don't have anything against my dad. I have nothing against the man. at all whatsoever. I don't hold a grudge. I've moved past that stage long time ago. Like since I was like 17 or 18 years old. But at least make sure that your kids know who their family members are, their blood relatives are, because that is very, very not only physically traumatic but psychologically traumatic. So I just wanted to sit with you guys and just say what was on my mind. This wasn't like a specific topic, it wasn't planned, it wasn't any of that. But comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about like Jamaican men having this tendency to just have a bunch of picnic and them spread out all over the world, and they don't know who their family members are and their brother sister are, but they continuously have kids. Suppose one day them get married, and suppose one day them have sex with somebody that's their biological relative. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. I just had it in my head because this is like personal to me and my journey. I'll probably talk about it a little bit more in depth when I'm good and ready, but as far as other aspects of that, you guys will have to wait later, because there's so much stuff as far as my dad is concerned that I can talk about, but I'll choose not to. But anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a party here, man. Deuce.